Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a Citi Strata cardholder, you're in for a treat with the card's $100 annual hotel credit. This handy perk can help you save big on your next getaway, but only if you know how to use it properly. Today, I'm breaking it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First off, what's this hotel credit all about? The Citi Strata Premier card offers up to $100 in statement credits each year for hotel bookings made through the Citi Travel Portal. It's a fantastic way to offset costs on business trips, vacations, or even spontaneous weekend getaways. But remember, this credit is only available for reservations booked directly via the portal, so we'll stick to that. Step 1. Log into your Citi account. Head over to the Citi website or app, and make sure you're signed in with your Strata card details. Once you're in, navigate to the Travel section. It's usually easy to find in the dashboard. Step 2. Search for your hotel. Use the search bar to enter your destination, dates, and preferences. Citi Travel partners with top booking sites, so you'll see a wide range of options, from budget-friendly chains to luxury resorts. Step 3. Select and book your hotel. After browsing, pick the one that suits you best. During the checkout process, the system should automatically apply your $100 credit, but double-check to make sure it's deducted from your total. If it's not showing up, you might need to link it manually through your account settings. A few tips to maximize this. The credit resets annually, so track your card's statement cycle. Also, note that it only covers the room rate and might not include taxes, fees, or extras like parking. Always read the fine print to avoid surprises. One common pitfall? Forgetting to book through the portal could mean you miss out entirely. And if you're new to this, start small with a short trip to get the hang of it. There you have it. Using your Citi Strata hotel credit is straightforward once you know the ropes. It could save you money and make your travels even more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. Thanks for watching.